The Amazon Basin, a vast expanse of untamed wilderness teeming with life and mystery. It is a place where nature reigns supreme, and every sunrise brings with it a new symphony of sounds and sights. A symphony of life explodes as the sun rises. Birds chirp in a cacophony of melodies, insects buzz in a harmonious drone, and the rustling of leaves signals the awakening of countless creatures. Light pierces the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The interplay of light and shadow creates a mesmerizing dance, a visual testament to the beauty of the natural world. The humid air hangs heavy, pregnant with the promise of rain. Each breath is thick with moisture, carrying the earthy scent of damp soil and decaying leaves. It's a reminder of the cycle of life that thrives in this verdant paradise. Our intrepid adventurers, Rome and Relish, stir from their makeshift camp. They are here on a mission, driven by a shared passion for discovery and a love for the wild.
Eager to explore the culinary secrets hidden within the emerald embrace of the jungle, they set out with a sense of purpose. Every step they take is a step into the unknown, a journey into the heart of the Amazon.
Rome, a seasoned survivalist, runs a calloused hand through his beard. His eyes scan the surroundings, ever watchful, ever alert. He knows that in the jungle, awareness is key to survival. He inhales deeply, his nostrils filled with the earthy perfume of the forest floor. It's a scent that speaks of life, of growth, and of the endless cycle of nature. Beside him, Relish, the culinary artist of the duo, sharpens his knife. His hands move with practiced ease, a testament to his skill and dedication. He is ready to uncover the flavors that lie hidden in this green labyrinth. His eyes gleam with anticipation for the flavors they will uncover. Each new discovery is a step closer to understanding the rich tapestry of life that the Amazon holds.
Our mission is simple: to experience the Amazon through its bounty, to immerse ourselves in its beauty, to learn from its wisdom, and to taste the untamed essence of the world's largest rainforest. To taste the untamed essence of the world's largest rainforest. Each fruit, each leaf, each root holds a story, a flavor that speaks of the land it comes from.
We are not here to conquer the jungle, but to learn from its ancient wisdom, to respect its power, to honor its secrets, and to embrace the lessons it has to offer.
With a shared look of determination, they sling their packs onto their shoulders. The jungle awaits, a vast, untamed world ready to reveal its secrets to those who dare to explore. The jungle floor is a mosaic of life. Giant trees, ancient sentinels of the forest, reach for the sky. Their buttressed roots form a labyrinthine network. Lianas, thick as a man's arm, snake through the undergrowth.
Rome leads the way with practiced ease, his eyes scanning the foliage.
Relish trails closely behind, his senses on high alert. He examines brightly colored fungi clinging to decaying logs. He notes the delicate dance of insects, their iridescent wings catching the light. This is a living pantry, brimming with exotic ingredients.
Hours melt away as they venture deeper into the emerald labyrinth. The air hums with the drone of cicadas. Monkeys chatter from the canopy high above.
The jungle is a sensory overload, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells.
Look!
Rome exclaims, his voice hushed with excitement. He gestures towards a cluster of vibrant red berries clinging to a thorny vine.
These are guarana berries, known for their energy-boosting properties.
Relish carefully plucks a berry, its skin smooth and taut. He rolls it between his fingers, savoring its delicate weight. A faint citrusy aroma rises from its skin. This is no ordinary berry. It's a burst of natural energy waiting to be unlocked. Further on, they discover a colony of leafcutter ants, their jaws working tirelessly as they transport fragments of leaves back to their nest.
These ants are nature's gardeners, cultivating a specific type of fungus that is not only edible, but incredibly protein-rich. These ants are a delicacy in some cultures.
Rome explains, watching Relish's intrigued expression. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows through the trees, the jungle transforms into a mystical realm. The golden hues of the setting sun filter through the dense foliage, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. The air cools, and the sounds of the jungle shift from the calls of birds to the rustling of nocturnal creatures awakening. Rome and Relish, seasoned adventurers, find a suitable clearing to set up camp. They move with practiced ease, their eyes scanning the area for any signs of danger or opportunity. The clearing is perfect, offering both shelter and a vantage point to observe the surrounding wilderness.
Let's get this fire going. It's going to be a long night and we need to be prepared. We need a warm spot to cook tonight. The fire will not only provide warmth, but also keep the wild animals at bay.
Rome gathers dry tinder and kindling, his movements precise and efficient. Each piece of wood and leaf is carefully selected to ensure the fire will catch quickly and burn steadily. His experience in the wild is evident in the way he handles the materials, knowing exactly what is needed to create a reliable fire. Soon, a cheerful fire crackles to life, casting a warm glow on their surroundings. The flames dance and flicker, bringing a sense of comfort and security. The firelight illuminates the clearing, creating a cozy atmosphere amidst the vast wilderness.
I'll start cleaning these ingredients. We need to make sure everything is safe to eat. We want everything to be perfect. The jungle offers a bounty, but it requires careful preparation to turn it into a meal.
Relish, with the meticulousness of a surgeon, cleans the foraged ingredients. His hands move deftly, removing dirt and debris with precision. Each item is inspected thoroughly, ensuring that only the best parts are used for their meal. He carefully removes the thorns from the guarana berries, his fingers working with a practiced grace. The berries are a valuable find, offering both nutrition and a burst of energy. He gently brushes away dirt from the plump grubs they found nestled in a rotting log. These grubs, though unconventional, are a rich source of protein and will add a unique flavor to their meal.
The fire is our hearth tonight. It's more than just warmth, it's our connection to this place. It's a reminder of the countless generations who have relied on fire for survival. It's more than just warmth, it's our connection to this place. The fire brings us together, creating a sense of community even in the heart of the wilderness.
The fire is their hearth, a symbol of warmth and sustenance in the heart of the wilderness. It represents their ability to adapt and thrive in the wild, turning the jungle into a temporary home. It is a testament to their connection to the ancient rhythm of nature, a rhythm of hunt, gather, and nourish. This rhythm has sustained humanity for millennia, and tonight Rome and Relish are part of that timeless tradition. The fire, the food, and the jungle around them are all intertwined in a dance of survival and harmony. The air fills with the tantalizing aroma of roasting grubs and the sweet, tangy scent of guarana berries simmering over the open flame.
Smell that? This is going to be amazing.
Sparks fly skyward, miniature stars dancing against the darkening canvas of the night. The fire crackles and pops, a comforting counterpoint to the symphony of the jungle night.
Just a handful of these herbs should do the trick.
Relish adds a handful of fragrant herbs to the pot, their pungent aroma mingling with the smoke. He stirs the concoction with a wooden spoon, his face illuminated by the flickering flames.
It's like a dance, isn't it? Man and nature creating something beautiful together.
This is a primal ritual, a dance between man and nature where the elements themselves become ingredients in the culinary masterpiece. Finally, the feast is ready. A steaming bowl of grub and guarana stew, meticulously prepared with ingredients sourced directly from the heart of the jungle, is placed on the rustic table. The aroma wafts through the air, a tantalizing mix of earthiness and sweetness that promises an unforgettable culinary experience. Seasoned with foraged herbs and a touch of wild honey, the stew sits between them, a testament to the rich biodiversity of the Amazon. Each ingredient tells a story of the land, the people, and the traditions that have been passed down through generations.
This isn't just food. It's the essence of the Amazon, right here. Every bite is a journey through the rainforest, a connection to the vibrant ecosystem that thrives here. The flavors are bold, unapologetic, and deeply rooted in the culture of the indigenous people.
This is not just a meal, it is the essence of the Amazon, distilled into a single potent elixir. The lush greenery, the symphony of wildlife, and the rich soil all contribute to the unique flavors that dance on the palate. It's a celebration of nature's bounty, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things.
Wow, the flavors! They're incredible. Each mouthful is a revelation, a burst of taste that is both familiar and exotic. The combination of textures and flavors creates a symphony in the mouth, leaving a lasting impression that lingers long after the meal is over.
Rome and relish savor each bite, their taste buds exploding with the unexpected symphony of flavors. The joy on their faces is evident as they experience the culinary wonders of the Amazon. Each bite is a testament to the skill and creativity of the people who have mastered the art of jungle cuisine. The earthiness of the grubs blends perfectly with the tangy sweetness of the berries, creating a harmonious balance that is both surprising and delightful. The flavors are bold and unapologetic, a true reflection of the wild and untamed nature of the Amazon. The fragrant herbs add a layer of complexity that elevates the dish to new heights. Each herb is carefully selected and foraged, bringing a unique flavor profile that enhances the overall experience. The result is a dish that is both sophisticated and deeply rooted in tradition.
This is what it's all about. The wild, the flavors, the experience. It's a journey that goes beyond the plate, connecting us to the land and the people who call it home. It's a reminder of the beauty and richness of the natural world and the importance of preserving it for future generations.
They sit across from each other, enjoying their meal with content smiles on their faces, fully immersed in the moment. The jungle around them is alive with sounds and sights, creating a backdrop that is both serene and exhilarating. It's a meal that nourishes not just the body, but the soul, leaving them with memories that will last a lifetime.